Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap review video, we're going to have a look at some real user reviews. So if you're considering or maybe you're looking at joining LeadsLeap, then the best way to get the best information is by those that are actual users and looking at the results that they've attained from LeadsLeap. And not everything's always positive. There are also reviews written, and within these reviews, there are things that the users don't like, and maybe LeadsLeap could improve. But what we have here, if you click the link below in the description, it will take you to a page here, and it's reviews by users. And my reviews in here under the most recent. So you'll see you've got most helpful, most recent, and then you've got the best rated ones, and then you've got the worst rated ones. So there's over 50 reviews dating really right back for the last few years, because LeadsLeap has been online since 2008, a very solid platform, totally free to join. I'm going to put a link in the description where you can join for free today. And these reviews, some of them are actually written in just a format by the user themselves. And what LeadsLeap do is they sometimes they do like a little template sort of review, what you like, what you don't like. But let's just have a little look at, as an example, what people are saying. So this gentleman here, Lee, started using LeadsLeap 3 months ago. He's using the landing page here, the list management system, etc. Let's have a look at Rick Elwood. He's about to start his 6-month experience within LeadsLeap. And this reviews from both a free and paid membership perspective. So you're not just going to get someone who's upgraded to pro and their opinion. You're also going to talk about the free members, and they talk in depth about all the different tools within LeadsLeap. So the squeeze page, the autoresponder, earning commissions, residual commissions, what he likes, what he dislikes as well. That's important. So maybe there's some things you want to look at that you're not happy about. What I like, what I don't like. So results on opt-ins. So you can get a general idea of exactly what's happening here. So this gentleman here, Keith, Keith says he's blown away at the founder and how he's taken the program to new levels. All right, and he's crossed out some of his updates there, but you just get the general picture. So you can see there, most helpful. If you look at the most recent, you'll see my personal review. So I use LeadsLeap every single day to build my online business. I started out as a free member, and I put some information here and all the different tools, and I put my verdict. This gentleman here, he says it's been absolutely amazing. Tells you what you get. Not too much detail, but some are really quite in depth, and some are just sort of a general overview. So if you're looking to join LeadsLeap, then there'll be a free to join link in the description, and have a look at the reviews. See what you like, see what you dislike. Free tool to build any online business. Free members, if you want to promote it as an affiliate program, free members can earn residual income by giving away LeadsLeap for free. And then when pro members upgrade, if they're your referral, you'll earn residual commission. Now, LeadsLeap includes buyers. So I'm a buyer myself, and some of these marketers here that have done these reviews, are very, very experienced marketers. Some of them are very, very experienced. They've been online for years and years and years. Some of these are six-figure earners. It includes buyers as well. That's one thing I like about the platform when you start to use it to advertise. All the tools, traffic, income, and training are there for you. So if you've enjoyed this video, then please give me a big blue thumbs up and a like, and click subscribe and the bell icon for notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. You'll see here I'm a LeadsLeap member. This is my dashboard in the back office. I'm a pro member. I've also done over 250 videos now on all different aspects of making money online: tools, traffic, training, social media, list building, so marketing systems, free and paid, everything you need to make money online. And what I'll do is I will pin a playlist when I can find it for you. I've organized everything into playlists for you, and you'll see here this playlist here is a LeadsLeap one, and it's already got 10 videos in there, 10 review videos. So I'm going to pin that to the top comment under this video if you want to have a look at some more LeadsLeap reviews that I've done before you make a decision that you want to join. So, but again, totally free to join. You've got nothing to lose. You may as well just sign up for a free account and then have a look round. Everything's down the left hand side here. Don't get overwhelmed. There's a lot of tools, a lot of traffic, a lot of training. You can earn income. You can build a list. You can do so much with LeadsLeap. It's absolutely superb. I use it every single day. So thanks very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.